Welcome back to Teaching Palace. We started the practice set 1.5. So in this video we will do question number 4th, 5th and 6th. In this later video we done the first, second and third. So you can go to playlist and check out that video. So in question number let's start question number 4th. So the question number 4th is that the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. See, as we know, the fraction is x upon y or a upon b. Okay, so x upon y, a upon b, we can say that these numbers are in the fraction. So the upper side it's called as a numerator, and in down it's called as a denominator. It's numerator and the denominator. So see, first of all we will do here assumption as let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So see, the denominator fraction is a 4 more than twice its numerator. The denominator, if the denominator of a fraction is 4 more, okay, it's 4 more than twice means 2 times its numerator means 2x, okay. And the second condition is that the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. When denominator become the 12 times when the numerator and the denominator those numbers get reduced by 6, then it becomes 12 times the numerator. So let's start the video. So solution, we assume that let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So according to first condition, the first condition is that the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice means denominator we assume as a y. So denominator of fraction is what? 4 more than. So it is a 4 more than twice the numerator means 2x. So as we know, the standard form of linear equation as ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. So this is plus 4, okay. When it comes to this equal to this side, it becomes minus 4. So therefore is equal to this 2x like this only. When this is plus y, it will go there, it will become minus y, okay. So this 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. So it looks like the standard form. So it will be equation number first. So according to the given second condition, okay, according to second condition, so the second condition is that what? The denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. So the denominator is a y, okay. It becomes 12 times the numerator means when it reduced by 6. So the denominator is y, okay. So when it reduced by 6 means y minus 6 is equal to, it becomes 12 times the numerator. So the numerator we assume as the x, so 12 times the x minus 6. So in exam you will give the word problem, you have to form the equation. Now this bracket we have to solve it. This is y minus 6 like this only, and this 12 into x means 12x, and minus it comes. So 12 into 6 it becomes 72, okay. So this minus 6 will be like this only, this minus 72. When it comes to equal to this side, it becomes plus 72 and is equal to 12x. This plus y, when it goes to equal to this side, it becomes minus y, okay. So minus plus minus means 72 minus 6 it becomes 66, and bigger number have the plus sign, it becomes plus. So is equal to 12x minus y. So by standard form 12x minus y is equal to 6. So this form the new equation, that is condition number 2. So see the condition number first, that is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4, and this is minus y is equal to 66. Subtracting, okay. So we will do the subtracting equation first and equation second, that is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. So sign will change and we can cancel it, okay. So it becomes plus, it becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus, okay. So this plus y minus y plus y get cancelled, and this plus minus minus, when 12 minus 2 it becomes 10x, and the bigger number has the minus sign, it becomes minus 10x is equal to, see the minus minus becomes plus, 66 plus 4 becomes 70, and the minus sign get cancelled, and x is equal to 70 divided by 10. Okay, so in 10 table the 70 will go for 7 times, so x value came 7. Okay, so like this we will find out 7 y value. So substituting x is equal to 7 in equation first. Okay, so in equation first, as substituting, that is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. So in 2x place it becomes 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. So 7 into 2, that is 14, and minus y is equal to minus 4. So minus y is equal to minus 4, and this plus 14 it becomes minus 14. So minus minus plus 14 plus 4 it becomes 18. Okay, that is minus 18, and minus minus sign get cancelled, so y value get 18. So still write the solution. So in the question, the required fraction values are 7 upon 18. We finished the question number 4. We will start the question number 5. Question number 5, that is the two types. Question is that two types of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having the capacity of 10 tons. Means there is a one truck which having the capacity of 10 tons, means which can hold only 10 tons of weight. So in that truck the types A types of boxes are to be placed, and B types of boxes. So the condition is what, when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in a truck, it weighs 10 tons. Okay, means when 150 types of boxes of type A and 100 box of type B, when it load in a truck, it weighs 10 tons. Okay, but second condition it doesn't tell that, but when 260 boxes of type A, means when 260 types boxes of type A are loaded in a truck, so it can still accommodate the 40 boxes of type B, means it remains 40 boxes for type B. When it loaded, when 40 boxes of type B and 260 boxes of type A, it's load fully, that is a 10 tons. So we have to find the weight of find the weight of each type of boxes, means we have to find the weight of type A boxes and weight of type B boxes. So let's start the solution. The solution, first of all we have to convert the tons. So 1 ton is 1000 kg. Okay, so 10 ton it will be 10,000 kg. So first of all we will assume, so let assume weight of, okay, weight of type A boxes, B boxes B X. Okay, and type B boxes B Y. Okay, so as we don't know the weight of type A boxes and type B boxes, so we assume as a X and Y. Okay, so condition is that as we know the 150 boxes as there, so as we assume as weight as a X, so when we multiply it, it becomes it's so the first condition is that, so according to first condition, that is 150 boxes as there, so 150 boxes of type A boxes X plus, okay, plus 100 boxes of type B Y boxes. Okay, so it is becomes loaded as a 10,000, so it becomes 10,000. This will be the condition number first. So the according to second condition, so second condition is there, as we know when 260 boxes, okay, 260 boxes of type A boxes and 40 boxes of type B boxes, it becomes 10,000. Okay, so this will become the second condition. So as we got the second condition, we can cancel the x variable or y variable by same coefficient. Okay, so there is 100y and 40y, so I want to cancel the y variable, so I will do multiply dividing by 10. Okay, so dividing by 10 in equation first, so dividing by 10 in equation first. So by 10, see, this is 150 divided by 10, okay, plus 100y divided by 10, and is equal to 10,000 divided by 10. So this 0 0 get cancelled, this 0 0 and this 0, so it remains 15x plus 10y is equal to this 1000. Okay, so this is 1000, so this will be the condition number third. Okay, equation number third. So in equation number second, I will divide by 4. Okay, so dividing by 4 in equation second, so 260x divided by 10 plus, sorry, 4. Okay, divided by 4, 40y divided by 4, and 10,000 divided by 4. So when we divide 260 divided by 4, it divide by 65, and when 4 it goes for 10 times, and this 4 it goes for 2500. Okay, so the second equation number 4 will be 65x plus 10y is equal to 2500. This will be the condition number 4. So this is a plus 10y and this is plus 10y, so by subtracting same sign we can subtract and sign will be changed. So subtracting equation third from fourth. Okay, so this 15x plus 10y is equal to 1000 plus 65x plus 10y is equal to 2500. So this plus become minus, this plus become minus, and this minus. So see, this is the plus minus minus, this will be the cancel plus minus minus. So when 65 get 65 minus 15, it gives 50x, and this is the bigger number having the minus sign, so this will become minus. Okay, so minus 65x and is equal to plus minus minus, when 5000 means minus by 1000, it becomes 1500. So this will become the 1500, and there also with the minus sign, and minus minus get cancelled. 50x is equal to 1500, when x is equal to 1500 divided by 50, this 0 0 get cancelled. For in 5 table, 15 go for 3 times, and this 0 it becomes x, so x value it becomes 30 kg. Okay, so the value means the weight of type A boxes, that is 30, so we assume x as a weight of type A boxes. So by substituting we will find out y value. Substituting, sorry, substituting x is equal to 30 in equation number third, I am putting, we can put in another equation, that is equation is 15x plus 10y is equal to 1000. So in x place it becomes 30 plus 10y is equal to 100. Okay, so 15 multiplied by 30, it gives 450 plus 10y is equal to 100. Means 10y is equal to 100 minus 450. Okay, sorry, this is 1000, so equation number third is 1000. So 1000 minus 450, so it comes as a 550. So this y is equal to 550 divided by 10, and the 0 0 get cancelled, and y value comes 55 kg. So the weight of type B boxes, it is a 55 kg. So in the last we will write the solution. The weight of type A box is 30 kg and the weight of type B box is 55 kg. So like this we finish the question number 5th, so we will start the question number 6. Number 6 is that out of 1900 kilometer we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. So there is a one person which is a Vishal, which is traveling, which travels means which covers the distance that is a 1900 kilometer. So some distance covered by, so he, while going for destination from origin to this distance, he travels some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. So the second condition is still that bus travels with average speed 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. So the average speed of bus is 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km, it tells. So for it took 5 hours to complete the journey. For to complete the journey of 1900 km, so we shall uh, needs the time as a 5 hours, it needs 5 hours, so we have to find the distance we shall travel by bus. So as we don't know the distance, how much distance he traveled by bus, so we have to find the distance we shall travel by bus. So let's start the solution. So let's start the solution. As we know, we don't know the how much distance we shall travel by bus and by aeroplane. So we assume as the let the distance traveled by bus by we shall be x kilometer and by aeroplane be y kilometer. As from the first condition, that according to first condition, okay, according to first condition, it tells as so he traveled 1900 kilometers. So the distance traveled by bus, that is we assume as x, plus y, that is the aeroplane, it took 1900 kilometers. This will be the condition number first. So like this we first condition we put, so according to second condition, second, so for see, as we know the second condition, which is the, see, the Vishal traveled average speed by bus as 60 km per hour. So as we know the formula, that is a time formula, that is a distance upon speed, okay, time formula, that is distance upon speed. So distance upon speed, so that is a 60 kilometer hours per hour, that is in speed, and aeroplane, that is a 700 kilometer per hour, so that is in speed, and that is a 5 hours to complete the journey, that is in time. So we have to convert all the values in speed time, okay. So we assume as a distance traveled by bus as a x, okay, and the speed is a 60 kilometer per hour. Per hour means upon hour, okay, and this is x kilometer. So this kilometer get cancelled, and we get as a time as a 60 x upon 60 hours, okay, x upon 60 hours. So we shall travel x upon 60 hours by bus. So time taken by bus to cover x kilometer at 60 kilometer per hour, that is x upon 60 hours, okay. So like this for aeroplane we will write time taken by aeroplane to cover y kilometer at 60 at sorry it is a 700 kilometer per hour, which is x upon 700 hour, okay. So this is x upon 60 hours taken by bus to cover the distance, and x upon 700 hours taken by aeroplane to cover the distance. So this will be x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5 hours. So 5 hours taken by the Vishal to cover the distance. So we will take the LCM of 60 and the 700, okay. So see the LCM of 60 and 700. So divide 10 in 10 table, it goes for 60, 10 6 the 60, and 10 7 the 70, and the 0 like this. Then again this is go for in 2 table, 2 3 the 6, 2 3 the 6, and it 1 it becomes 10, and 2 5 the 10, okay. So in 3 table it gone for 1 time, and 3 3 it will like this 35. Okay, so this is 135, and this is 7 table it goes for 1, and this is 7 5 the 35. So and this in 5 table it goes for 1 comma 1. Okay, so by multiplying 10 into 2, 2 into 3, and 3 into 7, 10 into 2, 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 7, and 7 into 5. So the LCM, LCM, so LCM of, so we find out the LCM value as a 2100. So this is, see, this is x upon 60. So by multiplying by the LCM this value, we can cancel the 60 and 700. So we will write as a multiplying by LCM, that is 2100, in equation second. Okay, so this is the equation number second, we can put it. So in equation number second, when x upon 60 get multiplied by 2100, so this 0 0 get cancelled, so 6 3 is 18. When 1 goes this side, that is 18, 19, 20 and 21, that is 30. To 6 5 the 30, so this will become 35, 35x. Okay, so plus, when x upon 700, sorry, y upon 700 multiply by 2100, so this 0 and this 0 0 get cancelled, so 7 3 is 21 and is equal to, okay, so like this it will be. When 5 multiply by 2100, we will find the value. So it will 35x plus 3y is equal to, when 2100 multiply by 5, it is a 10,500. So this will be the equation number second. So this is the equation number first, that is x plus 7 x plus y is equal to 1900, and this is 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500. So there is a 3y, and here we can brought 3y. So by multiplying by 3 in equation first, so the multiplying by 3 in equation number first, so but to cancel the y value, we can multiply. So 3x, it will become 3x plus 3y. 1900 multiplied by 3, it will be 5700. So this will be the equation number third. So the equation number third, 3y plus 3y, so there is the same sign. By subtracting, we will different sign we will brought. So the subtracting equation third from first, from second. Okay, so this is the 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500, and this is 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. So plus become minus, plus become minus, and this minus. So this different sign and same coefficient get cancelled. So plus minus minus, 35 minus 3, it is 32, and the bigger number having the plus sign, so it will become plus 32x. And this is the plus minus minus, 10,500 minus 5,700, it will be 4,800, and this will be plus 4. Okay, equal to 4,800 and divided by 32. So see, when 32 divided by this, so it becomes 150. So this is the x value comes 150 kilometer. So like this we find the we shall travel by bus as a 150 kilometer. So in this last we'll write the solution as, so we shall travel 150 kilometer by bus. So like this we complete the question number 6. So we completed the practice set 1.5, and in next lecture we will complete the problem set first. So like, share and subscribe the channel, and share this video with your friends, so they can also help them in their studies. So whatever the doubts are there to solve the questions, you can comment down below. Thank you and have a nice day.